Hi guys! Start with story time. Who we are, who we're not. Una, hindi kami Inglesero. Talagang Tagalog po kami magsalita. Medyo pinapasosya lang namin ng konti. My name is Kale. She is Faye. She has been cutting my hair every... My wife is not a professional barber. Pero she's doing this a very long time. Sa family niya. Sa babae. He first tried cutting a boy's hair. Ito niya. Well, even before, bago pa kami kasal pa, ini-encourage ko na siya, sige, try mo lang.
Pero kinakabahan pa ako dun kasi...
Sa mga hindi nakakalam, nasa CR po kami ng bahay namin. And this is where we usually do this hair cutting. Kanina nga nung tumitingin ako sa gallery, meron kaming video nun pinost. Nasa phone ko pa rin siya. Na first time niya akong gupitan din bago lipat kami. Pero man, it's a fun memory. Madalas, nag-cellphone lang talaga ako pag ginugupitan niya ako. We're shooting everything using the phone. It's an iPhone. If you guys wanna know us more, madalas, puro kalokohan lang naman namin. Ay ko. Wala tayong blade. Di ba may blade tayo?
Akala ko kasi dadalhin mo yun.
So what can you... Ay.
Sorry.
Okay lang. So what can you expect?
Kaya ngayon hirap na hirap.
Like I do. 6.
Perfection. So, one thing, storage. Bakit ang lover mo?